Deep in the forest, the police found her body. Cuts on her arms, wanted by nobody. No people gather to reminisce her sins. She was once a fair-haired maiden, now with pasty white skin. Her name was Honesty, but she wasn't honest. Called herself Holly, called her that we promised. She was so positive, doing better tomorrows, but the gangs and thugs she was with weren't the ones to be followed. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. She wanted to be a dancer, and her roots began to show. She regretted eating birthday cake 6 months ago. Desperation unknown, she could see sorrow in her eyes, as the booze was drained down her neck, and her life was full of lies. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. She screamed at her reflection through a brush at the mirror, put a cigarette to her mouth to see if she could see things any clearer. Pulling out her own hair, she remembered the tablets in the drawer. The doctor told her one a day, but she couldn't take it anymore. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. She's a ghost now, just a ghost. Deep in the forest, the press find their story. A talented ballet dancer didn't find her glory. Rushed to the question, asking what I knew, and as the tears streamed down my face, what I said was true. She was just a girl. She was just a girl. She was just a girl. A scared girl.